What's up, guys?
You got any knife?
He got broken glass, man. He was talking.
What's going on, man?
He ain't.
Hey, put down the glass, boss.
He ain't no threat to nobody, man. Just talk him down. He'll make your mom.
What's his name? Hey, Chris, put down put down that glass, Chris.
Put down the glass, please.
Here come his ex-co-worker, too. He used to work for the apartment, man. I know they're good dudes, right? He ain't no
Hey, do me a favor, guys. Just go ahead and step back real quick.
Don't hurt him, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, don't try to hurt him, man.
We gotta drop that knife, though.
Hey, Chris, put down that knife.
We need you to put that knife down.
Put that glass down. Yeah, I got it. Okay. What's going on, man? Hey, put down that glass. Let us help you.
We're here trying to help you.
Let us help you, man. Huh?
Shots fired. Shots fired. Stay on the ground.
Back up. Back
Now
up.
watch crossfire, guys. Watch crossfire.
Shift that way. I'm dropping the taser.
No, just hold on to it.
Huh?
Hold on to it. Hold on.
You got
Stay down on the ground.
Stay on the ground.
Stay on the
Stay on the
ground.
ground. Roll on your stomach, Chris.
Stay on the ground.
Roll on your stomach, Chris.
Stay on the
Arcing
ground.
again. Arcing again. I'm arcing it again. That's twice. Hey, don't pull out that taser. Don't pull that out.
Get down the ground, Chris.
Roll on your stomach, Chris. Roll on your stomach.
Get on your stomach.
Roll on your stomach. Roll on your stomach. Hey, I think I'm out on the taser, man.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm out. No, hang on. I'm going lethal. Hey, roll on your stomach right now.
Get on
Roll on your stomach.
Get on your stomach.
Roll on your stomach, Chris.
Got lethal.
Yeah, I got lethal. I got you. Chris, roll on your stomach.
Get on your stomach, Chris. Get on your stomach. I'm gonna come from the side just in case.
I got you. Roll on your stomach.
Chris, roll on your stomach. You're not in trouble. We're trying to help you.
I got you. He doesn't have anything in his hand. He doesn't have anything in his hand. There you go. Easy. Hold on. I got you. His hand's okay, right? Yep. Yeah. I got it. I want it. Hang on. Get down. Hang on, Chris.
Grab it. Grab the handcuff. I got it.
Hold on.
Hang on, Chris.
Easy. There we go. Connect that. No, listen. There it is.
I hate that.
It's all right.
No, we're good.
Shut his stomach.
Huh? Hey, roll on to the side. Hey. Roll over to your side. Hey, stop!
19G, 32 evening. Shots fired.
Come from the side just in case.
I got this. Roll on your stomach.
Chris, roll on your stomach. You're not in trouble. We're trying to help you. Get down. Easy. Hold on. Hold on to the front. I got it. Okay, I got it. Yeah. I got it. I got one. Just hang on. I got one. Just hold on to the wrist. Get down. Hang on, Chris.